Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to find a solution about Google Meet, you should just go to settings, then you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you'll enter to Google Meet. Not here, we go to Meet as you see. Then we click first stop and you click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Then we click clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You'll wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on Google Meet. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.